Hello everyone, you were asking me to do some vegetarian recipes, so I made something for you. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious carrot dish with caramelized walnuts and citrus gel. So let's do it. And let's start with my citrus gel. For the base, I'm gonna use oranges, limes and lemons. There is no exact recipe for this thing, because you can get very sweet oranges or very sour ones. So I want you to create your own taste. At the end, I just adjust it a little bit with the sugar. I want the taste sour, because the rest of the dish will be sweet, but not too sour, because it would be difficult to eat. So I just juice everything, transfer it inside a pot, season it with salt and cardamom, and bring it to the boil. When everything is boiling, I can add my agar powder. I'm gonna use 1 gram per 100 ml. Cook it for around 3 minutes, pass through the chinois, and I leave it inside the fridge to set. The gel is gonna need some time to set, so in the meantime I can start with my carrot sauce. I have here around 1 kilo of carrots, so I just wash them a little bit, chop them roughly, and I'm gonna juice them inside the machine. Then I transfer it inside a pot, and I'm gonna cook it slowly until everything gets reduced around 70% down. Last step is to strain it through the cloth. I'm gonna season it with white wine vinegar, salt, and for the thickness I'm gonna use a little bit of xanthan gum. Just be careful, don't put too much of the gum, because otherwise you end up with slimy mess. And delicious vegetarian carrot sauce is done. For my garnish, I want to use some caramelized walnuts. So I'm gonna bake them for a few minutes inside the oven, and then we're gonna caramelize them. So I bake the walnuts on the tray, inside the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, around 10 minutes. Then I take them out, and I'm gonna prepare nice caramel inside the pot. I just mix sugar with a little bit of water, and let everything to caramelize. And at the end, I just put my walnuts in, mix everything together, and I'm gonna spread it on baking paper. Some of them are stick together, so I just spread them a little bit with a knife. And they are ready for plating. At this time, is my gel nicely set, so I just cut it roughly with a knife, and I move everything inside the blender. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, so I get right consistency, and I blitz everything for around 3 minutes. At the end, I just transfer it inside a plastic bottle, and the gel is ready for plating as well. And the last thing I have to start with is my main thing, the carrot roll. So let's do it. For this technique, it's very important to use carrot with the same thickness. The first thing you have to do is to peel them, and then slice them nicely on the mandolin. Be careful, don't cut yourself. If you're not experienced with mandolin, I recommend you to use guard. Next step is to mix the carrot with good amount of salt, and I wanna leave it on the side for around 5 minutes so the carrot gets soft, and I will be able to roll them. And by the way, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're still not subscriber, hit the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video. And now you can roll the carrot slices slowly one by one. You can do different sizes, that's up to you. Just at the end, you have to tie it with the butcher's twine, and let's cook it. I'm gonna sear it on the pan with a little bit of vegetable oil, so I get nice color, and then I'm gonna finish it inside the oven. For some bonus flavor, I'm gonna put also a little bit of fresh thyme, and I finish it inside the oven for around 5 minutes. For my garnish, I want to use also these beautiful peas chips, which I did yesterday. You can watch full recipe and learn how to do it on my Patreon page. Check out the link in description down below. At this time is my carrot roll nicely cooked, so I'm gonna take it out from the oven. I season it with a little bit of fresh lemon zest, cut it in half, and let's do the plating. I start with this beautiful carrot garnish. Then are coming few dots of my citrus gel. Nicely green and crispy peas chips. Few of my caramelized walnuts. For my herbs, I'm gonna use coriander leaves and carrot tops. And I'm gonna finish everything with my delicious carrot sauce. And by the way, if you're a passionate home cook and would you like to take your cooking a bit more seriously and move your fine dining skills to the next level, check out the link in the description down below and apply for my one-on-one online coaching. And if you will be good fit, I will personally help you to reach your cooking goals. And if you want to learn another vegetarian recipe, check out this video with zucchini, basil puree, tomato sauce and ponzu. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.